growing up, back home, we always have a favorite, noodles. So how we can turn that into a vegan dish? So this is an eggless noodle. So you can use, and then the sachet comes with that. The water is at 2 cups. Then add the sachet, mix it. Once it starts boiling, we will add the noodles. Okay, and cook it till it's tender. Now the noodle is cooked. Nice tender, but it's not really soft. It's good like a Chinese noodle. Okay, so this stage I'm adding a spoon of coconut milk. So it gives a richness to the sauce. Okay. I like to cook it on a slow flame. So now at this stage I'm adding some pre-boiled carrots, potato and onions, all diced into cubes, fine cubes. You can add peas as well, or even green beans blanched. Avocado nicely diced. Taste for the seasoning. Adding a pinch of pink salt. Some chopped coriander. So now it's ready, we can plate it up. Now we take a nice pasta plate, deep one. So when you serve pasta or even noodle, you can twist it like this. Okay, place it. Now add in the vegetables. So this is more like a street style food or comfort food in an elevated form. So now to plate it up, I got some vegan cheddar, hard cheddar. Okay, I'm going to grate on top. Chili, so it's like a curry flavor, so some nice chilies will give a nice kick as well. Some baby spinach leaves, some onion rings as well, thinly sliced mushrooms, fresh mushrooms, some dill leaf. So that's a noodle. You can't say no to a noodle looking like this, right? And it's vegan. It's not so boring noodle.